Welcome to KFirst. In this video, let's see how to calculate building permit fees in Kerala. With the KFirst permit fee calculator, let's see how it works. First open Google. Now search for KFirst. Open the KFirst website. First click on free construction tools. From the list, select building permit fee calculator. This tool helps engineers estimate permit fees for Panchayat, Municipality and Corporation areas in Kerala. Now let's try a simple example. First choose the local body. Here we select Gram Panchayat. Next choose the building type. For this example, we select residential. Now enter the building area. Then click calculate. And instantly the calculator shows the estimated permit fee. If you want to see how the calculation was done, click view applied rates. Here you can see the exact slab rate applied for the building area. These rates follow the official LSGD permit fee rules. Now let's check the same example for a municipality. Scroll up and change the local body to municipality. Then click calculate again. Notice the difference. Permit fees are usually higher in municipalities compared to panchayats. Now let's try the same calculation for a commercial building. Change the building type from residential to commercial. Then click calculate. Commercial buildings usually follow different slab rates, so the fee will change accordingly. You can also enter the area square feet. Just click the unit toggle. Now switch from square meters to square feet. Enter the area, change to residential building, then click calculate. The tool automatically converts the value and calculates the permit fee. If you scroll down, you can also see the official rate tables. These show the slab-based permit fees for panchayats, municipalities and corporations. The calculator uses these same rates for the calculation. Let's quickly look at the permit fee formulas used in this calculator. First, the standard permit fee. It is calculated as total building area multiplied by the slab rate. But there is one important rule. If the total area is 80 square meters or below, the permit fee is 0. If the area is above 80 square meters, then the entire area is charged at the slab rate. Next is the regularization fee. For unauthorized constructions in municipality or corporation areas, the fee is 3 times the standard permit fee. Next is the permit extension fee. If you apply for extension before the permit expires, the fee is 10% of the current permit fee. Finally, the permit renewal fee. If the permit has already expired, the renewal fee becomes 50% of the current permit fee. Let's see a quick example calculation. Here we calculate the permit fee for a 1500 square feet house in a panchayat. First, the area is converted to square meters. 1500 square feet becomes 139.4 square meters. Next, the calculator checks the 80 square meter exemption. Since 139.4 is greater than 80, the exemption does not apply. Then the tool finds the correct rate slab. This area falls in the 81 to 150 square meter slab with a rate of 25 rupee per square meter. Now the permit fee is calculated. 139.4 multiplied by 25 gives 3485 rupee. Then the application fee is added. So the final amount becomes 4485 rupee. There are a few important points to remember. The 80 square meter exemption applies only to the permit fee. You still need to submit the building permit application and pay the application charges. Also remember that regularization fees may vary depending on the local land fair value. For accurate approval details, always confirm with your local panchayat or municipality office. The permit is usually valid for 5 years. If the permit is about to expire, you can apply for an extension before expire. The extension fee is usually 10% of the current permit fee. If the permit has already expired, a renewal fee may apply. You can also check the FAQ section here. One common question is whether permit fees are the same for all local bodies. They are not the same. Rates vary between panchayats, municipalities and corporations. You can also find answers to other common questions here. If you want to try this calculator, open KFirst.in/tools. There you can use the building permit fee calculator and other construction tools. Thanks for watching.